Only 36 hours before the first show begins, our crew of venue technicians arrive on site to unload the first of two 45-foot trucks that carry everything that's needed to turn this theatre into an ice show. Before you ask, it's real ice too, 14 tonnes of actual frozen water. A strict timetable needs to be followed to make sure everything is ready in time for the opening night. The floor system and surround is unloaded and the task of building the ice rink begins. Two industrial pool liners are laid on top of the side supports to form the start of the rink. Inside the pool, 15 kilometres of a special flexible rubber pipe is laid and connected to a header system, which in turn is connected to two chiller units on the back of the wet truck. The floor system is filled with antifreeze and the pressures are checked. The antifreeze is chilled to minus 15 degrees Celsius and circulated through the pipes. The rink is sprayed with water every 20 to 30 minutes until it reaches 7 to 8 centimetres thick. That's heavier than two double-decker buses or more than 56,000 cups of tea. The lighting rigs are assembled and set into place along with the rest of the set and all the props ready for the skaters to arrive and the first rehearsals to start. It takes 140 man-hours to build the rink and a mere 30 hours to take it all away again. In just 2 days, the team have taken an empty stage and turned it into an ice show for thousands to enjoy. The Russian ice stars are all set for another breathtaking ice extravaganza.